What do the cleanest seniors know that others don't? Ever step into a senior's home and feel instantly calm? No clutter, no funky smells, no piles of things that might come in handy someday. Just fresh air, order, and a sense of peace. It makes you wonder, what are they doing differently? The answer isn't about hiring a weekly cleaner or spending all day scrubbing. It's about daily habits, small, consistent actions that make all the difference. If you're over 60 and wondering how some seniors manage to keep a tidy, welcoming space without breaking their back or budget, this article is for you. As we we'll reveal the 12 daily routines clean seniors swear by. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you are new. And stay to the end so you can learn how to be a clean person if you are currently struggling how to do so, and how you can easily make these habits a part of your own life. Number 1. They make the bed. Yes, every day. It might seem like a small task, but making the bed each morning signals that the day has begun with intention. It takes less than 2 minutes and brings instant visual calm to the room. Tidy seniors often simplify their bedding to make the task easier. Instead of layers of sheets, quilts, and throws, they opt for a neat comforter and pillows arranged with care. It's a quick win that provides a mental boost. Consider breathable materials like cotton or bamboo for comfort and ease of maintenance. Number 2. They do a morning walkthrough. Tidy seniors often begin the day with a short stroll through their home. As they move through each room, they take note of anything that's out of place and return it where it belongs. This mindful habit prevents clutter from creeping in. It may involve collecting the newspaper, wiping off a bathroom mirror, or picking up clothes left on a chair. Why it works. A morning sweep sets a proactive tone for the day and avoids the overwhelm of tackling big messes later. Number 3. They keep surfaces clear and purposeful. Flat surfaces tend to become clutter magnets. Clean seniors combat this by keeping counters, tables, and desks as clear as possible. They only keep items that serve a specific purpose or bring joy. Examples include a lamp, a framed photo, or a small vase with flowers. Everything else is stored or discarded. The result? A cleaner look and less dust accumulation. Number 4. They wipe down the bathroom sink and counter daily. It's easy for water spots, soap residue, and stray hairs to make a bathroom feel grimy. Tidy seniors handle this with a simple wipe down each morning. This daily routine keeps surfaces gleaming and prevents buildup, making weekly deep cleans quicker and easier. Keep a cloth or cleaning wipe in a nearby drawer for easy access. Number 5. They stay on top of laundry, rather than letting clothes pile up for days. Tidy seniors often do small, manageable loads of laundry throughout the week. This reduces overwhelm and helps ensure fresh clothes, towels, and linens are always available. Fold or hang clothes right after drying to avoid wrinkles and clutter. Some even set designated laundry days to create a rhythm, like towels on Monday and bedding on Friday. Number 6. They have a paper and mail control system. Piles of unsorted mail, magazines, or receipts can quickly overtake tables and countertops. Tidy seniors keep this in check with a simple system. Mail is sorted daily. Junk is tossed immediately. Bills are filed, and personal letters are read and displayed or saved. Dedicated folders for important documents like health records, insurance, and taxes. A shredder or recycling bin nearby to make disposal easy. Why it matters. It prevents overwhelm and protects privacy. Number 7. They clean as they go in the kitchen. Dirty dishes and food crumbs are the number 1 cause of mess in kitchens. Seniors who maintain clean homes don't wait until the end of the day. They tidy as they cook and eat. After every meal, they wash or load dishes, wipe down counters, and sweep up any crumbs. Bonus habit. Clean the stovetop while it's still warm to avoid crusty messes. Number 8. They use a nightly 10-minute reset. Before settling in for the evening, tidy seniors perform a quick reset to restore order. Put away reading glasses, blankets, and slippers. Load the dishwasher. Straighten couch cushions. Turn off lights and lock doors. This practice makes mornings smoother and ensures the house is restful and inviting. Tip: set a timer for 10 minutes to keep it quick and focused. Number 9. They let in fresh air and natural light. A well-aired home smells better and feels more inviting. Seniors who prioritize freshness open windows for 10 to 20 minutes each morning. They also draw curtains or blinds to let in natural light, which improves mood and reduces the need for artificial lighting. Fresh air reduces indoor air pollutants and improves sleep quality. Number 10. They have a place for everything. Tidy homes are not about minimalism or perfection. They're about organization. Seniors with clean homes give each item a home. Keys hang by the door. Shoes go on a rack. Medications are labeled and stored in baskets or drawers. This reduces decision fatigue and makes cleaning faster. Helpful tools: drawer organizers, labeled bins, and wall hooks. Number 11. They declutter continuously. Clean homes aren't created in a day. Tidy seniors are constantly editing their belongings. They make it a habit to donate what they no longer need, toss expired products, recycle unnecessary packaging. They avoid the trap of keeping things just in case. Tip: use the one in, one out rule. If something new comes in, something old goes out. Number 12. They embrace function over perfection. Finally, the cleanest senior homes are not the most Pinterest-worthy. They're the most functional. Seniors prioritize comfort, accessibility, and safety. Rugs are secured to prevent falls. Commonly used items are within reach. Furniture placement supports ease of movement. They're not chasing perfection. They're creating a home that supports their daily life. The result: peace of mind, easier living, and a sense of control. Extra tips: small wins that make a big difference. Want to go the extra mile? Tidy seniors often have a few more tricks up their sleeve. Scent matters. A diffuser or baking soda helps maintain a pleasant atmosphere. Keep cleaning supplies in each room. Make spot cleaning easy. Invest in easy-to-clean furniture. Leather, vinyl, or washable slipcovers save time. Rotate cleaning zones. Focus on a different area each day of the week. A sample daily routine for tidy seniors. Morning. Open windows for 15 minutes. Make the bed, walk through home, and return out-of-place items. Wipe bathroom sink, prep breakfast, and clean kitchen after. Afternoon, tidy surfaces, handle mail and paperwork. Toss or donate one unneeded item. Evening, light dinner and cleanup. 10-minute reset. Set out clothes or meds for the next day. Not a naturally tidy person? Here are 15 ways seniors can become clean, step by step. Struggling to stay neat and organized as you age? You're not alone, and it's never too late to become a cleaner, calmer, more confident version of yourself. If keeping your home clean and your daily habits organized feels like a losing battle, especially now that you're older, don't worry. Many seniors find that the physical changes, energy levels, or even motivation that worked for them years ago just don't stick the same way now. But here's the good news. Cleanliness is not a personality trait. It's a habit. And habits can be built, one step at a time. Whether your home feels a little chaotic or you've always struggled with staying tidy, this guide will help you shift your mindset and build a clean, comfortable life, starting today. Here are 15 realistic and empowering ways to become a clean person, even if it's never come naturally. Number 1. Start small. One spot at a time. Trying to clean an entire house in one day is overwhelming. Instead, commit to one shelf, one drawer, or one small table per day. That's it. This builds momentum without draining you. Try this. Pick a cluttered corner or nightstand, clean it fully, and don't move on until it's done. Enjoy the feeling of that one clean space. Number 2. Create a simple morning routine. Clean people often have morning habits that set the tone for their day. This doesn't mean scrubbing floors at 7 a.m. It might just mean making your bed, opening a window, and putting away pajamas. Try this. Write down 3 simple things you can do every morning to feel a bit more put together. Repeat them daily until it becomes automatic. Number 3, invest in storage you'll actually use. Too many bins and shelves can add to the clutter. Clean seniors keep things simple. Use clear containers, labels, or baskets to group similar items and make cleaning easier. Try this. Get one medium-sized basket for your living room. Use it to collect newspapers, remotes, and stray items daily. Number 4, follow the 5-minute rule. If something takes 5 minutes or less to do it immediately. Washing one dish, tossing junk mail, wiping a counter, these little actions prevent messes from growing into monsters. Try this. Set a timer for 5 minutes after each meal. Use that time to tidy up your space. Number 5, declutter. Don't just organize. A cluttered space is harder to clean. Clean people don't have less stuff because they're better. They just keep what they actually use. Try this. Each week, remove 3 things from your home you don't use. Donate or toss them. Lightening the load makes tidying easier. Number 6, create a cleaning calendar or checklist. Forget trying to clean everything all the time. Clean people often use systems, not memory, to stay on track. Try this. Make a simple chart. Monday equals kitchen, Tuesday equals laundry, etc. Or use a printed checklist with daily and weekly tasks. Number 7, use tools that make cleaning easier. Struggling with bending, reaching, or lifting? That can discourage you from cleaning. Look for tools that support your body. Try this. Use a grabber tool for picking things up, a lightweight cordless vacuum, or long-handled scrub brushes to reduce strain. Number 8, let go of guilt and just begin. Many people who don't consider themselves clean have one thing in common: shame. But shame never cleaned a kitchen. What works? Kindness, patience, and starting where you are. Try this. Instead of criticizing yourself, say, "This space needs care, and I deserve to live in a clean, calm home." Number 9, use visual reminders. If you forget to do chores, use sticky notes, whiteboards, or phone alarms to remind yourself. Clean seniors often rely on cues to stay consistent. Try this. Leave a note on the fridge that says, "Check the trash today," or "Wipe the counter after lunch." Number 10, build anchor habits. Anchor habits are simple actions you attach to things you already do, like brushing your teeth or taking meds. This helps make new cleaning habits automatic. Try this. After brushing your teeth, wipe down the bathroom sink. After eating lunch, rinse and load your dish. These routines grow naturally over time. Number 11, ask for help. It's not cheating. You don't have to do everything alone. Clean people aren't superhuman. Many have support from family, friends, or even cleaning services. Try this. If bending or reaching is hard, ask a neighbor or relative to help with tougher chores monthly. Or hire help once every few weeks for peace of mind. Number 12, keep high-traffic areas simple. If your entryway, living room, or kitchen is chaotic, it makes everything feel harder. Clean seniors keep these spaces as clutter-free as possible. Try this. Put a small table or hook by the door for keys and mail. Avoid storing things on kitchen counters. Simple spaces are easier to maintain. Number 13, celebrate wins, no matter how small. When you clean a drawer, organize your nightstand, or finish a small laundry load, take a moment to notice how it feels. Try this. Say out loud, "This feels good. I did that." You'll begin to associate cleanliness with peace and pride instead of pressure. Number 14, make cleaning pleasant. Music, audiobooks, or even calling a friend while tidying can make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like me time. Try this. Create a short cleaning playlist with your favorite songs. Play it while you tidy up and stop when the music stops. Number 15, create a calm night routine. Evening habits are just as important. A clean person tends to wind down by preparing for tomorrow, even just a little. Try this. Before bed, do one small thing. Clear the kitchen sink, put away a pair of shoes, or tidy a side table. You'll wake up to a space that supports you. Final thoughts. Becoming clean is about care, not perfection. If you've never been a naturally clean or organized person, especially now in your senior years, it's easy to feel like it's too late to change, but it's not. Cleanliness is not about being spotless or doing it all at once. It's about doing what you can, when you can, with love and consistency. Even one clean habit, repeated daily, can ripple into a lifestyle of clarity and comfort. So take a deep breath, choose one of the 15 habits above, do it today, then do it again tomorrow. You don't need endless energy or a full-time housekeeper to have a clean, peaceful home. The real secret? Simple. Daily routines that add up. Start by choosing one habit to adopt. Once it feels natural, add another. In a few weeks, your home will start to reflect the care and intention you bring to it. Clean homes don't require perfection. They thrive on consistency, comfort, and clarity. Just like their owners. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope this was helpful. Please remember to subscribe if you are new and click the like button if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.